Hi everyone. Today we're exploring a question all couples face. How can you overcome feeling resentment toward your partner?
We experience this all the time. Just the other night, I asked Nate to take the carnitas out from under the broiler. He forgot, burned the meal, and I felt resentment.
So how do you dissolve resentment? First, reveal your resentment. Sounds simple, but we often do the opposite. We get passive aggressive or we try to ignore it. A better approach is to reveal to your partner what's really going on. It's as simple as saying, when you didn't include me in planning for that family get-together, I felt upset.
Experiment with opposites. Byron Katie has created a radical way to dissolve resentment. Turn your most bitter and resentful judgments about your partner around to yourself. He is lazy becomes, I am lazy. She's too controlling becomes, I'm too controlling. You then sit with this opposite and consider, how might this actually be true? If you want to get even more radical, change these patterns in yourself instead of them. Just see what happens.